The first book of Psalms, chapter 96, verses 1 to 13. The first book of Psalms, chapter 97, verses 1 to 12. The first book of Psalms, chapter 98, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 99, verses 1 to 9. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 100, verses 1 to 5. 1. Sing to the Lord a new song. Sing to the Lord, all the earth. 2. Sing to the Lord. Bless his name. Proclaim his salvation from day to day. 3. Declare his glory among the nations, his marvelous works among all the peoples. 4. For the Lord is great, and greatly to be praised. He is to be feared above all gods. 5. For all the gods of the peoples are idols, but the Lord made the heavens. 6. Honor and majesty are before him. Strength and beauty are in his sanctuary. 7. Ascribe to the Lord, you families of nations. Ascribe to the Lord glory and strength. 8. Ascribe to the Lord the glory due to his name. Bring an offering and come into his courts. 9. Worship the Lord in holy array. Tremble before him, all the earth. 10. Say among the nations, the Lord reigns. The world is also established. It can't be moved. He will judge the peoples with equity. 11. Let the heavens be glad, and let the earth rejoice. Let the sea roar, and its fullness. 12. Let the field and all that is in it exult. Then all the trees of the woods shall sing for joy. 13. Before the Lord. For he comes to judge the earth. He will judge the world with righteousness, the peoples with his truth. The first book of Psalms, chapter 97, verses 1 to 12. 1. The Lord reigns. Let the earth rejoice. Let the multitude of islands be glad. 2. Clouds and darkness are around him. Righteousness and justice are the foundation of his throne. 3. A fire goes before him and burns up his adversaries on every side. 4. His lightning lights up the world. The earth sees and trembles. 5. The mountains melt like wax at the presence of the Lord, at the presence of the Lord of the whole earth. 6. The heavens declare his righteousness. All the peoples have seen his glory. 7. Let all them be shamed who serve engraved images, who boast in their idols. Worship him, all you gods. 8. Zion heard and was glad. The daughters of Judah rejoiced because of your judgments, Lord. 9. For you, Lord, are most high above all the earth. You are exalted far above all gods. 10. You who love the Lord hate evil. He preserves the souls of his saints. He delivers them out of the hand of the wicked. 11. Light is sown for the righteous, and gladness for the upright in heart. 12. Be glad in the Lord, you righteous people. Give thanks to his holy name. The first book of Psalms, chapter 98, verses 1 to 9, is Psalm. 1. Sing to the Lord a new song, for he has done marvelous things. His right hand and his holy arm have worked salvation for him. 2. The Lord has made known his salvation. He has openly shown his righteousness in the sight of the nations. 3. He has remembered his loving kindness and his faithfulness toward the house of Israel. All the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our God. 4. Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the earth. Burst out and sing for joy. Yes, sing praises. 5. Sing praises to the Lord with the harp and the voice of melody. 6. With trumpets and sound of the ram's horn, make a joyful noise before the King, the Lord. 7. Let the sea roar with its fullness, the world and those who dwell therein. 8. Let the rivers clap their hands. Let the mountains sing for joy together. 9. Let them sing before the Lord, for he comes to judge the earth. He will judge the world with righteousness, and the peoples with equity. The first book of Psalms, chapter 99, verses 1 to 9. 1. The Lord reigns, let the peoples tremble. He sits enthroned among the cherubim. Let the earth be moved. 2. The Lord is great in Zion. He is high above all the peoples. 3. Let them praise your great and awesome name. He is holy. 4. The king's strength also loves justice. You establish equity. You execute justice and righteousness in Jacob. 5. Exalt the Lord our God. Worship at his footstool. He is holy. 6. Moses and Aaron were among his priests. Samuel was among those who call on his name. They called on the Lord, and he answered them. 7. He spoke to them in the pillar of cloud. They kept his testimonies, the statute that he gave them. 8. You answered them, Lord our God. You are a God who forgave them, although you took vengeance for their doings. 9. Exalt the Lord our God. Worship at his holy hill, for the Lord our God is holy. The first book of Psalms, chapter 100, verses 1 to 5. A psalm of thanksgiving. 1. Shout for joy to the Lord, all you lands. 2. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. 3. Know that the Lord, he is God. It is he who has made us, and we are his. We are his people, and the sheep of his pasture. 4. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving, and into his courts with praise. Give thanks to him, and bless his name. 5. For the Lord is good. His loving kindness endures forever, his faithfulness to all generations. The first book of Psalms, chapter 96, verses 1 to 13. The first book of Psalms, chapter 97, verses 1 to 12. The first book of Psalms, chapter 98, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 99, verses 1 to 9. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 100, verses 1 to 5. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.